Hello and welcome to Tech for Kiddies. My name is James Tinola, and today we'll be working on the project, on how to download what Pictoblox, that is the downloading and installation of Pictoblox on our Windows PC. We know in this part of the world, we have more Windows PC users compared to any other what OS. But notwithstanding, the same procedure also applies for both our Linux OS and the what Mac OS. So let's, without much wasting of our time, let's proceed. So the first thing, you come to your browser. You ensure you have what internet connection on your device, either it's been what a tablet, a mobile phone, or a laptop, or it can even be a desktop. Once it has the what requirements, we are good to go. So today I'll be making use of what the Google Chrome browser. After clicking on my Chrome browser, I will come and what type what download Pictoblox for Windows. I already have it what as I've previously done that. Download Pictoblox for Windows. So you see the first site should be from Stempedia. I recommend you downloading it directly from Stempedia. So you click on it, it's going to take you to this interface. Let's hold on. I don't know. Okay, it's going to bring you down to this interface where it say what? Download Pictoblox. It's easy. Install the all new Pictoblox with block coding, Python, and the likes of that. So you scroll down a bit and you what see the different options. We can either download it on our Windows, our Mac OS, our Linux, Chromebook, Android, or iOS. But since I'm making use of a Windows system, we'll be downloading it on our Windows. So you scrub it a bit. So these are the what Windows installer available. We have what step one, download the installer for what Windows 7 and above. So definitely your system must be what a Windows 7 system and above. I'm currently making use of a Windows 11, so I don't have any challenge with that. Then the next thing you will come, you will now say which of the versions do you want to download. Personally, I wouldn't want to download the older version because in the newer versions we have more updates and what more features. So you come down, you check this. If you can see this, yes, this is the latest, though it's for what quirky intelli. We don't really want that at this point. We want something that we can use and what and on all, for all aspects, not just for quirky alone. So you now come down, this is the next best version. So we have for 64-bit what installer, and we have what 32-bit. So my system is a 64-bit, so I'm going to click on the Windows 64-bit installer. So it's normally asks for this information, so I just fill it in using one of my emails, and I what click what download. So you can see what it starts what downloading. You can see so it's going to bring you to this site, and it's going to what start what downloading. So I'm coming, let me show you the so Pictoblox setup in my what downloads. Let me use it. I'm going to choose my download. I'm going to save it. That is where I want it to be saved, in my download. So I think in a second or two it's going to pop up and start what's counting. So let's hold on and see. So as you can see on our screen now, I had to click on the downloads from my Word Chrome for me to see it. It's now downloading. So we'll pause a bit until the Pictoblox what finish downloading. Okay, after multiple trial, we were able to download the Pictoblox setup 9.0.1 exe. So we are going to click on it to start the installation process. So after we finish downloading it on our system, we'll double click on it to start the installation process. So when we are done installing, it's going to bring out this. You can just cancel this and what click on finish. So that is you're done installing your Pictoblox. I'll click on my finish. Okay, it's taking a bit of time. I'll click on my finish. So it's now responding. So after then, I think we can now go back to Windows and look for okay. So it's now finished. So you can see Pictoblox is automatically opening. So it pops up this interface. Go on board and learn to code, and it's a very great app for coding for children and teenagers. It has lots and lots of amazing features, from AI features to machine learning features to game development features, and even robotics features and the likes of that. So you click on this, so it's asking you what's new and the likes of that. So you click on OK, and this is it. We have the junior blocks, we have the blocks, we have the Pi editor, the Pi notebook, and the likes of that. But personally, I mostly concentrate or with my students on the blocks coding. So let's begin and skip. So I just have to skip on this, and this is the interface. So this is the brief, I would like to yes, though a little bit long, of how to get started with Pictoblox. So parents, there's no longer an excuse that you don't know how to download it for your children and your words. You just download it and they start using it. Thank you for watching my video. Have an amazing day, and you can check my link. There are lots and lots of videos related to Pictoblox that your word can learn from. I assure you it's very, very interesting. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Thank you.